shaking and come to make the skull upset. No, I done set. Back of the class, man, I'm a subject. England girl, now be my one rough sex. Bum shaking and come to make the skull upset. No, I done set. Back of the class, man, I'm a subject. England girl, now be my one rough sex. Chip up the molly out.
Police, for real. Nigga, we caught like 2 hours ago. When are they dead? Them are not dead. John, no, sir. Yo, you have to understand it. Me not really care. You have to understand is that it's a different type of traffic. Hold on. Yo, tell them some other one, 21 piece instead, brother, cause not name did a film like that. As my dad say, Virgin, you come late cause of KFC? Sir, there's no time to be joking around and making dumb assumptions like that. So I need to give you some details about the person you see shoot your brother. Yeah. I want black you who look like him in the mid-30s. Alright, very descriptive. Indeed, I want a white t-shirt where say Bungu Mangale gang. Wait. Bungu Mangale gang. Yes. Alright, awesome. So all of this information here, we're going to actually use it for putting the work and bring the culprit to justice. Alright, officer, at that moment here. Anyways, I hope you enjoy yourself today, sir. We are cut. Yo, none of them know no taxi driver did that, no one thief some money.
If the plural for spouse are spouses, and the plural for house are houses, so if the plural for blouse are blouses, so how the plural for mouse? See be mice. Again.
When will I see you again?
Not anytime soon, Regina, thank you.
It should be. I don't know. I think it's done.
Why don't you do the evaluation?
Why did I do the evaluation?
Psychiatric
Winford,
evaluation and show that you are sane.
I'm not afraid to do a evaluation, but everybody know that a person like the Paramount Chief cannot be crazy. I have over 3 Benz. I'm running a government now, and you know me over the years. I'm a businessman, yes, and I'm a genius, and I'm 10 times richer than the judge.
So you will resist the return to court?
No, it's not resist, Winford. No, and the judge should be trembling in her boots right now. For if I go back to court, Winford, she should be trembling.
Wow.
She should be trembling.
So what's gonna happen?
She don't have enough money. If I am to put a lien on her, I put a lien on the government because of her. Right now, what she don't know, Winford, we already sent a letter with her name to the Royal Court, to the United Nations, and a lot more people. And my team is now preparing one to send to the Governor General. I am not Vibes Cartel on a lock up in.
Jamaican DJs are villains. The arms of the angel.
The rain is falling, my baby is on the road. Don't wanna waste no time, I wanna go home. Wonderful performance by Marza. Now it's time for the judges. And first up, we got Anthony Miller. Take it away, Anthony. Alright, so first up, I just want to say, Marza, if you want to go home, I won't stop you. That performance was horrible. So please go home and don't ever come back.
You're fucking bright.
Lock his ass up. Lock his ass up. You going to jail.
Fucked up. Who never fucked up hands in the air? Oh no!
Your titty is big.
Emotional damage.
Oh, when I see you on Remo, don't tell the little girl that. Move faster, man. You know, somebody big on stairs goes.
Me get a longer tongue in my spirit. Sometimes how deep it get.
Hold on there, little. So you had a dream that the devil came and promoted you with a longer tongue.
Yeah.
That's
yes,
what
sir.
you say.
Tongue with skill. You can twist and turn.
Bumbleclad.
How will
Flip
you
it.
say? Flip it, your tongue.
Yeah.
So I saw him promote you.
Right.
Glory to God.
Sometimes it reached a point where I just walk and all my tongue just move up and down in my mouth. I mean, I do it.
By itself? Your tongue move by itself?
Yeah, tongue in my mouth just move.
Does it move by itself?
Yeah, by itself. I mean, I flip up and down. I mean, I do not. I mean, I say, no, man, I want me not move my tongue. I want to move. But me to reach a stage where me just, sometimes I just want to eat. I mean, I don't want no penetration. If me get the eating alone, me alright.
Me say about the area.
Say that again.
If you have the oral sex alone,
okay,
I'm fine. Me not have to penetrate a woman. I just want to eat her. I'm good.
Me blood clot. No, sir.
You're mad? You're insane. No.
Okay, so is it that you get an erection in your tongue?
Yeah. Tongue stiff, man.
Me blood clot.
Yo. Oh, they washing the lion's tail. Somebody come look at this. Oh my god. Wait, are we lion there? Oh, with the blood clot. What? Me don't wanna oxtail that. Wait. Wait, trim the lion tail? No, man. I want to go on here, sir. No time I eat them, I go eat this. No, man, them people are serious. So you couldn't afford to buy. Wait, oxtail. We know oxtail expensive now, but lion tail, that probably more expensive. No, sir, let me see what I want. Yeah. Cook it. They look like oxtail. What that now? Dumpling you make? Okay. Spaghetti? Oh, where the blood clot? You have spaghetti maker? That look good. But where the lion tail there? Top outside. Them boil it down, then them cook it down with in a seasoning. It look like oxtail. Can't trust them people here. Me not eat that.
Why is Anthony Miller so shameful?
Will fix it for me.
I'm sorry, I don't think the Lord can fix this one.
Me know, man. Me know you didn't eat it. Me know you didn't eat the one patty. The one patty me have left in the fridge. Cause can't left nothing around on my picnic. Cause if me are dead for hungry, if me don't put up my valuables. Alright. You never know $7 box though. You never know $7 box of golden first party, right? I hope you enjoy that one. That one is shrimp. I hope you're allergic.
Alright, so spell the word alphabet.
Alphabet?
Yeah.
Like, you know something really know if you spell so already, see it.
Stop it. Get some help.
Is it not know if you spell that?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, what's your name?
Jody.
Alright, spell the word alphabet.
A-P-H-A-B-E-T.
Nobody not tell you the truth, but you're too done. You're too done now, man. And you think it's funny.
A-P-H-A-B-E-T.
Spell the word alphabet.
Alphabet.
Yeah.
Like you don't get glitch.
Hello, me can't swim enough. Oh. Hey, something not right in here now. It's spirit that tell me say something not right. Shit, what was that? See I'm rasting. Hey, me not turning how we doing, you know? Ben, you forward?
Shit, yo, there it is again, man. There's something in here. Just keep moving. Ben!
Jesus Christ! Somebody help him now! Bamba clad! He dead!
Yeah, come, Jason. No. Come close. No, man, come closer. You me line up with the balls, man. Yeah, come look. Right there, so. I lean back. More you swing hard, cause it's tough, you know. Swing hard, me tell you this, so yeah. Easy, you know. Blood clot, him balls bust, my dead. But your ass, something about out like when call fucking it.
When the bomb clot, them behave themselves.
Yeah, how them? You to behave with them.
When them not behave themselves when they come here.